to another epic video.
Want to die.
Today's video, we're gonna talk you into some graves. Do you agree, Cameron?
Yeah.
But they're just gonna be our enemies. The people that tried to kill us. We didn't post that on YouTube because that would be way too violent for YouTube. So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, before we start the video, we got talk about some stuff. If it takes me a while to post a video, it's because I have school and that takes a while and all this other stuff.
That's right.
By the way, hey, one of these guys behind me, it's my brother Cameron. Say hi, Cameron.
Hi.
I made this for him. He got this cool hat. He bought that cool hat. That was $5,000. He got these cool glasses and this nice suit. By the way, so with nothing left to say, let's get on with the video. Let's go.
Let's go.
So this is my house, brother.
Nice. This is a wonderful house ever.
What was that one little chair?
I want to sit down, please.
Or do you want to kick it?
I want to sit on the chair.
Today I really feel like breaking the chair.
Yay, breathe it. Oh, ow, my hand.
Good thing I first done up with saying now I have immortality.
I want to brace his head forever.
Cameron, are you okay?
No.
You're talking very fast.
No.
Well, let's just toss people in the grave. Now let's go, brother.
Let's go!
Shane, do not yell. Viewers, you totally didn't hear that. If you heard that, you better not heard that, viewers. Cameron, let's go. And don't shout.
Okay.
Wee.
Wee!
Wee. Wee.
Wee!
Okay, let's just roll out. Roll
Oh
out.
God.
Roll out, Autobots. Oh my goodness, I eyes backwards.
Oh no, we're about to fall. Wee!
Oh, Flip, I think I'm going in the grave.
I won!
No, you're not supposed to go in there. That's the grave, buddy. Are you the one lying?
Man.
You.
What are you doing here?
Ah, I tripped!
Yo. My pants.
Mate, it's just blood. It's normal. Cameron,
Yes.
turn around.
Okay.
Or just do a flip.
Okay.
You wanna do a flip?
Yes, sir.
Do a flip.
I'm falling.
Huh? Can't.
How?
Well, I think that is the end of this video. So, bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and turn on the bell.
I hope you are enjoying my videos because these videos taking me a while to make. So, bye.
Bye, guys.